Will's running some errands. He had to go to the DMV, he had to go to the bank, and then he's gonna take them to the park. So I have a kind of like a little day to myself, and I've really been wanting to cruise through Walmart, look at their home decor. I need some new bathroom towels because when our washer pipe busted, we had to use almost all of our bathroom towels to clean it up, and so we've been living on like 3 towels. So we need to do a restock on the towels. It's just gonna be kind of like a cruise through Walmart, maybe make a fun recipe. We also got a new couch in yesterday. Very excited to unbox that. We might do that in today's video too. If not, it'll probably be in the next one. But I have lots of fun projects coming up this summer. I want to do a living room makeover. Since we got a new couch, I'm feeling like a whole new vibe for our living room. I'm gonna start adding some color to our house. I really love the sage green, like earthy green color. So I'm gonna be incorporating some green in all of our home decor. Very excited about that. So the vibe for today's video is very chill. Grab yourself a coffee and let's go hang out. Also, as most of y'all know, I had a big gold mirror right here. It was so pretty. I love this little space with the bench and the gold mirror. But unfortunately, the other day, Annie was playing with something really hard and threw it at the mirror, and it cracked into a million pieces. So we had to put it out next to the dumpster, and that was so sad, but I'm very glad Annie's okay. And so now I kind of want to do something different right here. We've had the bench and the mirror for a while, and I kind of want to switch it up and do like an entryway table with a lamp and a mirror above it. I've always been kind of weirded out about the idea of putting a table here, just because we have a table there and a table here. And I was like, that's like a lot of tables in one area. And I was thinking if I had like a little half circle table here with like a lamp and some picture frames, it would be really welcoming as you come in. I feel like this like corner over here is really dark. We're hopefully going to be getting a new front door with windows in it, and then this light up here, get one that drops down a little bit further and is gold. So we're going to be doing lots of projects, but I'm excited to get our couch put together. But let's go to Walmart and see what we can find. It's time to feed Opie, and we've recently introduced him to Spot and Tango's Unkibble. It's a fresh, dry dog food made with 100% whole, fresh, human-grade ingredients. Nothing artificial. Unkibble is cooked at low temperatures, which preserves nearly 99% of flavor, aroma, and nutrients. Every single ingredient is written right there on the bag, and it comes with a custom scoop sized for your dog's ideal calorie intake. It's shelf-stable, so no refrigerator or freezer is needed, and it ships right to your front door. It's around 40% less expensive than other fresh pet food brands. So it combines the benefits of the fresh dog food and the convenience of dry dog food, and it's designed for even the pickiest of eaters. You can customize it for your dog. It's vet developed, so it's tailored to age, breed, and activity level. Opie has really been enjoying this. Take 60% off your first order of Unkibble using code OPIE60. If your pup doesn't like it, Spot and Tango will refund your money. Thank you so much to Spot and Tango for sponsoring today's video. Okay, I went by Subway on my way here. I'm sitting in the Walmart parking lot, and I just got the melt on flatbread. It's so good. It's just turkey, ham, and bacon. Okay, we just got home from Walmart, and I got a ton of fresh white towels. I love getting white towels for our bathrooms because we can bleach them if we need to. So I got 6 washcloths, 6 towels, and 6 hand towels. I'm about to pull all the tags off these and get these washed. Also, I picked up all of these stuff for the chicken salad I'm gonna make. I just picked up a rotisserie so I don't have to cook any chicken. Very excited to make some of that up. I'm just gonna make up a lot for the week, and that way for lunches and stuff I can use that. I had to get Annie, Kate, and Oliver some new crayons because y'all know I just bought this box. Annie's already broken like all of them. So I'm gonna put them in this box and we're gonna hide them from Annie, Kate this time. She loves to color, but she's hard on them. So I'm gonna just keep buying new crayons every so often. I picked these up because I was trying to teach Oliver what a plum was the other day. He was curious. And then I looked at this and it says apricot. But surely that's not an apricot, right? That looks like a plum to me. So I think they put the wrong sticker on there. I've got my almonds. So this chicken salad that I'm going to make, it's my cousin's recipe. It is so good. I like to use mayonnaise in my chicken salad, but she said she uses Miracle Whip. So we're going to try it with Miracle Whip. It was delicious last time I had it. We've got sliced almonds, crushed. This one's crushed pineapple, and then mandarin oranges. And then I think that's everything for the chicken salad. And then I just got some croissants to put the chicken salad on. I don't really like to eat chicken salad without bread. I don't know, it feels kind of weird, but I know that chicken salad, the restaurant, they serve their chicken salad like in little scoops. That'd probably be healthier, but I'm gonna do mine on a croissant. And then I also picked up a shower curtain for our bedroom's bathroom because the other bathroom has a shower curtain. This one has the glass door, and I don't really care for the glass door because it's just so hard to keep clean. It's always got smudges and stuff on it. and like watermarks, and y'all know the whole time we've lived here, I've never been able to keep that door clean. So off and on I've had shower curtains in there, but this one is so cute. It's got stripes. I'll put it up with y'all here in a little bit. But I was gonna get a green shower curtain. They had a dark green one, and I've been trying to incorporate more color in our house, but I think instead when we do our bathroom makeover, I'm gonna paint the walls like a really pretty sage green color. And then this will be like a cream colored shower curtain with like gray and black stripes. I think it's gonna be really pretty. I also picked up some pins because I'm gonna try to clean out our junk drawer today. I don't know if I'll have time, but I really need to get that done. All of our pins are missing, and it is just pure chaos in that drawer. Along with my shower curtain, I got some new shower hooks. I just thought these were really pretty, shiny gold shower hooks. So we'll put that up here in just a little bit. Picked up some strawberries for the kids and for myself. Oh yeah, that chicken salad also calls for sliced apple, and then some tape because we were out of tape. So I am probably gonna start by making the chicken salad. That way we can kind of like let it get cold in the refrigerator while we do everything else. And then we'll get the towels going in the washer. Okay, I'm actually gonna rip all these tags off these towels and get these going in the washer first because they're gonna take quite a while to wash and then dry. So let's get that going, and then I'll start my chicken salad. I shredded my rotisserie chicken. I'm gonna add in my apple slices. I'm just gonna do like a small spoonful of the crushed pineapple. Do these mandarin oranges. My kids love these mandarin oranges. Some almonds. I like a lot of almonds. And now I'm just gonna squeeze some Miracle Whip in here. I'm just kind of measuring with my heart. Okay, I really like this consistency. I'm gonna add in the seasonings now. You just need garlic salt, black pepper, or it's actually garlic powder, black pepper, and salt. Okay, that's what it looks like when it's all mixed up. I'm gonna put it in the fridge and let it get cool. Okay, we're just gonna ignore the dishes in the sink because I really wanna get this drawer cleaned out. This is our junk drawer, or that's what I call it, and it really just gets full of crap. So let's sort through this stuff. This really just needs to be like batteries, pins, scissors, things that are useful, and most of this stuff is not. This is the stuff I'm throwing away, and this is what it looks like now. So much better. The after reveal. We've got all of our pins back here so that Annie can't reach them, and a little notepad. I felt bad getting rid of that little Jesus, so we're gonna keep him right there. We've got a bunch of lighters over here, our matches, random little remotes to all of our battery operated lights throughout the house. We've got our tape, flashlights, little library cards, and little free coupons to places. Fingernail clippers because we're always looking for those. A little screwdriver. We use that on like everything when it comes to the kids' toys, so I'm just gonna leave that right there. I've got this little thing that I need to put in my car, but I gotta get some more like scented things. Will can't stand when his headlight's not right here. He uses that to grill and to do yard work. And then a little pencil sharpener that I didn't know what to do with, but so much better. And that literally took me like 10 minutes. Earlier when I got home from Walmart, but I went through the home decor section at a new Walmart today. Did not find anything that I really loved. The other Walmart that I usually go to has way cuter stuff, so I'm not sure what that's all about. This one is in a little bit of a smaller town, kind of hidden back, so maybe they just don't get the same stuff, or maybe they don't get as much stuff is what it is. But anyways, I didn't get very many pieces of home decor, but I knew I needed towels, so I grabbed those, and then while I was over there, I was like, I have been needing a shower curtain in this bathroom for a while, just because the door looks gross all the time. Even after I clean it, it looks gross. So I got this cute shower curtain. It's Better Homes and Garden. I'm going to hang it up real quick. And then the best part is these little gold shiny shower hooks. I got to take down these silver ones and replace it with gold. We got the hooks on. They're so cute. I love the way that they look with this color. When I first moved into this house, I had a hard time embracing all of the cream cabinets. I really wanted them to be white, but now I'm embracing them and I love them so much. Final reveal. I love it. I do need to steam it a little bit, but I feel like it looks so pretty with the cream door. And then when we get some green walls going on in here, it's going to be gorgeous. And I love that it kind of allowed me to raise the rod a little bit, so now it looks really fancy. Love it so much. The lighting sucks in here, but here's a little close-up of the gold knobs. So pretty. Okay, all of our new towels are washed, dried, and folded. I'm going to put these in the cabinet real quick. Okay, towels are cleaned and restocked. It feels so good. After that flood, we have been without towels for so long, so this feels so good. I probably actually need to double up on the amount that I bought, but for now, yay, this feels so good. Okay, it's much later now, and I'm gonna make a chicken salad croissant. I did eat Subway earlier, but it was way earlier. It's 2:15 right now, and we went to Subway at like 10 a.m., so I'm a little bit hungry, and so I think I'm gonna make a chicken salad croissant and then sit on the couch, edit this video, and watch Will put together our new couch. I'm so excited. I have not tried this yet. I was waiting for it to cool in the fridge, so let's see how it tastes. Really good. Not as good as when she made it. But it's still really, really good.